Hello students, how are you? Do hope all of you guys are supposed to be fit and fine. So today I am be here discussion with a new poem which I am taken from standard 11th Hornbill textbook, and it is a NCERT textbook, National Council of Education and Research Trainings regarding textbook. And today I am going to discuss about the second poem's central theme. This poem is a photographs. It is written by the Shirley Tolson, and she is one of the most poetess. And here she discusses about her mother's unmemorable moments by the help of cardboard, and cardboard synonyms words we can also use photographs. So let us have a look. So first line of this poem: the cardboard shows me how it was. Actually Shirley Tolson, when she was a little bit of child, so that time what did happen, that she was memorizing about her mother's unmemorable moments. When her mother was a child, maybe the 20 or 30 years old, that time how did she look like? She starts giving an explanation about the help of photographs. Cardboard means photographs. The cardboard shows means indicates. It is indicated how my mother was looking like. When the two girl cousins went paddling, paddling means walking, walking, walking. When my mother went beach, not only alone but also with her two girl cousins, whose name was here unknown, but the name of two girl cousins was Betty and Dolly. Paddling, walking, each one holding one of my mother's hand, means Betty and Dolly both of were holding my mother's hand. All three stood here and see the big girl, some 12 years or so. Means at that time my mother was big girl, and she was standing in the between of two cousins, Betty and Dolly, and at that time my mother's age approximately around 12 years or 30 years. At the uncle with the camera, at that time my uncle was standing there, a sweet face, he was having a lighting up with face which was smiling with little bit. My mother's, that was before I was born. This photograph was taken by my uncle before I was born, means that time I did not be a child, means before of my born my uncle was captured this photograph with the help of camera. And the sea which appears to have changed place, watched their terribly transient feet. Transient feet means right now my mother, when she went to the beach for having holidays, so that time my mother's feet was also available on the sandy soil, but right now this becomes one kind of terribly means transient means it is temporary moment, because right now my mother's footprint was not available on the beach of the soil. Some 20-30 years later, means 20-30 years later it has been passed, she would laugh at the snapshot. Snapshot means it is one kind of the album which contains various type of photographs, and she would laugh means she, as soon as she started showing the album of photographs, she also laughed on the snapshot means a photograph. See Betty and Dolly, I told you that both of were cousins of my mother's. She would say, and look how they dressed up for the beach. When she also saw this album, she would also say like that, how do we look like, means Betty and Dolly when she went, means when Betty and Dolly went beach for holidays. The sea holiday was her past. When she was sparing a memorable moments, Betty and Dolly as well as my mother, to each other on the beach due to having some fun and due to be having holidays. So, that time these all of incidents, it became one kind of the past memories. Mine is her laughter, only one myself is left to be laughing these all of things while watching, while observing these kind of the photographs. Both worry with the laboured is of loss. Means here Shirley Tolson feels like a gloominess, because these things, it becomes one kind of the past memory, and we know that time and tide never waits for no one. Once it gone, it does not come back. Now she has been dead nearly as many years, means my mother has been dead for many years. As that girl lived, means here only one Shirley Tolson be present, and she also feels like very gloominess, because her mother is not be present with her. And of these circumstances, and as time passes, there is nothing to say at all. No one has to speak like that. Only one Shirley Tolson be left to memorize this all of memories, which becomes past. It's silence and silence. There is nothing except of silence. And here, with a grief-stricken heart, Shirley Tolson puts an end of this second poem of photographs. So, do hope that you must have understood, and if you have any doubts or confusion, do let me know. Okay, bye bye, and till then, take care of your health.